And just hours before that decision was made, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton stopped by the KETK newsroom. He not only discussed if mask mandates in schools are legal, but also touched on another wide range of heated topics.
He was right here. Meanwhile, Tuesday, Congressman Louis Gohmert shocked the Texas political world by announcing he's raising seed money to run for Texas Attorney General. So I spoke with Paxton to get his thoughts about the man trying to unseat him.
Look, I'm running on my record. I can't control who runs. This is a free country. He has a right to run if he wants to.
On to the Biden administration for using OSHA as a pit bull to force vaccinations for Texas businesses with 100 or more people.
That's correct. Right now, there is a stay in place. You can definitely tell the government to pound sand. You can tell Joe Biden to pound sand. Whoever is telling you that you have to enforce a vaccine mandate at your business right now is wrong.
We also cleared up a whole lot of questions about Texas business owners' rights. If a business owner with 100 or more people believes in vaccinations, do they have the right to force their employees to do so? The answer is yes.
No, a business owner can make their own decision. So if they want to require it, they can. They're obviously at risk of losing key employees if they go forward with that.
Even though Governor Greg Abbott a while back said schools should not be masking students, Longview ISD forced students to do so. Was that against the law? Paxton says
yes, they are. The governor's executive order definitely applies. It's enforceable. We have enforced it across the state, where school districts and county officials and county and city officials have required this.
Paxton says when it comes down to voting for Attorney General, he touts his record of fighting Democrat overreach in court.
That's why we have 20 lawsuits going against the federal government in 10 months, which is, I think, unheard of and probably some type of record.
And the AG also said he's here to give Texans hope there are better days ahead. To read and see more about the interview, please go to our website, KETK.com.